It's all about the 10X life, guys. Are you kidding me? Whoever's watching this shit for verified drop sourcing, we're gonna be bringing people on vacations with us just so we can show them what the lifestyle is like and how this method is actually working versus a lot of other horse shit out there.
Is this an ad?
No, it's not an ad. It's just a YouTube video, I think. Might be a TikTok though.
TikTok.
Going to Vegas. Khalees, you ever been to Vegas before?
I unfortunately have never been to Vegas, but I know a little bit about the Vegas Strip. But I know that there's a few websites you can go to that Jim enjoys, like CougarCentral.com.
Who's the one with the fans only account access?
Fans only. Jim has 7 accounts on Tinder, so don't let him fool you.
8, doesn't matter. We're gonna miss this view right there, man. Oh well.
Fun fact about you guys all want to know is Jim's been catfishing like 92 people since he's been 12. He has 15 accounts on Tinder and none of them are white boys. 16-year-old Asian kid.
Are you panicking, dude? Are you panicking? You say again, it's like a deer.
I swear to God, it is literally a deer in headlights and I look at that light and it has hit play.
All right, everybody. I've never been to Vegas before. I'll probably never go back, to be honest. There's actually 3 things guaranteed in life, right? There's death, there's taxes, and there's Khalees that's gonna be on the strip at 3 in the morning tonight doing you know what for fucking quarters and nickels and dimes over here. We're packed up, we're excited. We got our clothes, ripped jeans, tie-dye. You can't go on a trip without tie-dye.
Do you have another one of those? I don't have any bags. We got business cards, everyone. Check them out.
Oh.
Jim's phone number. Oh. Can you show them?
Yeah, show them back. Wait. Oh yeah. Right there, looks good.
Can't see the personal number, it's for VIP group only.
Hell yeah. We're going, dude.
We're doing it. Going to Vegas. 10X.
10X.
What's the first thing you're gonna do in Vegas, Jimbo?
We're going to the 10X, baby. We're going to this thing to learn shit, man. It's gonna be fun as fuck. Vegas is warm, though. Realistically, when we get there, we're gonna go to the pool. It's gonna be a good time. I think we got Mykonos coming up. Adam's been playing on that one. So.
Mykonos?
Mykonos, never even heard. How you doing?
No way.
No way.
Here we are.
This is fucking sick, dude. Up.
Yeah. Gone on you with the pick and roll. Young flame and cinema. This is with all the ice on in the booth.
See Uncle G, everyone. Everyone's pumped. 10X, baby.
We're at 10X right now, showing fashionably late a little bit.
A little late.
About to see Uncle G speak a little bit. Kevin Hart. Scooter Braun texted me yesterday. We're going out to eat with Bieber and Haley Baldwin soon, so.
I said we're busy.
I said no way. I said it was $3,000.
They said $3,000, so I said fuck it, give me 6.
Hell yeah. People are gonna start staring at us, but you gotta do stuff that exits your comfort zone sometimes. It's a good first day. Scooter Braun killed it. I'm sure we're gonna run into him tonight. First day at 10X was fucking awesome. We saw Scooter Braun talk. He's really smart, really intelligent. A lot of good people spoke. Magic Johnson. God, we still have to go party with Snoop. D-O-double-G, Rick Ross. So it's gonna be fun. More videos coming soon, my fellas. All right, guys, day 2's here. Feeling pretty goddamn good. Hey, Adam's all ready to go. Not sure who's gonna be even speaking today, but it's gonna be a good time. Probably check out the city a little bit. Got Travis on, you know it's gonna be a good day. Nah, it's gonna be pretty good. Oh, got an order. Anyways, stay tuned. We're gonna be vlogging a lot, I guess you could say.
Yeah, stay tuned for a bunch of content on what we learned at this 10X Growth Conference. Hopefully we bring home something good.
Is it good?
217.
217. All right. Hell yeah.
We're in.
All right, we're in day 2. Hell yeah. Motivated Central right here. A lot of entrepreneurs here, everybody.
Look at all these excited people to change their lives.
Entrepreneurs taking action. That's what it is. 217 is right over there.
This is nice. What'd you learn today, Jimbo?
People. I'll tell the people a little bit. I learned a lot about you gotta help people instead of just trying to rip money out of their pockets. You gotta show that you care about people. And the good things will come for you as long as you just keep giving back to people. If you keep doing that, good things will happen. You gotta be like me, not like Adam. This guy over here, you don't like to help that many people. He gets it from me.
He gets it from me.
Man, shake your hand.